what is going guys, and you're watching Expert Boys here. Today I'm back and today I will show you guys how to download GTA Vice City with multiplayer for free PC full version, fast and easy using uTorrent. So basically, first thing is you guys need to have uTorrent. But before starting a video guys, go and hit that subscribe button right now, okay, right now, cause we really need your support. And if you guys hit that subscribe button right now, you will have a good luck of just 10,000 years, okay. And let's get straight into today's video. Also like this video, and yeah, let's get straight into it. So basically, first of all, you need uTorrent. So follow my steps. uTorrent.com, the website will be down in the description. You guys can go here and just give it a second. I'm downloading something on my internet as well, on my Xbox One, so my net is kind of slow right now. Get uTorrent for Windows, you're gonna click here, you're gonna go get uTorrent for Windows here, and then it will start downloading uTorrent. Yep, there you go. I'm gonna cancel it. I already have it. Now we will go cancel this one and go on www.nostream.ro. This website will also be down in the description, okay. So just we need to skip these things. Give it a second. And these are some stupid ads, I don't know why. Yep, here you go. Now basically from here you guys can see PC games multiplayer plus SP. Basically here you will see GTA Vice City as well. And if you guys wanna know how to download GTA 4, GTA San Andreas and GTA 5 full version for free and with multiplayer, you guys can go on my channel Expert Guy and watch that as well. The link of my channel will be down in the description, and those videos will be also down. So now for Vice City we will click here, and yeah, wait a second. I will cancel this as well so you guys can see properly. Now basically GTA Vice City no stream downloaded. This is the full game. You guys need to click here on this link, and basically if mouse is not working for you, blah blah blah, you guys can read this if you have some problem, but this website will not give you any problem. It's just so simple and easy to use. Now basically we'll go here, and these are one thing is, I will tell you guys this in a second. First of all, we will go on GTA Vice City, the full game. We will skip ad there. It will say you to skip ad. You have to wait for 5 seconds and skip ad, and yeah, let it load, and we will see some things here. And also you guys can read PC requirements minimum, and you guys can every single PC can support this game. It's not that freaking big kind of games like other GTAs or stuff. It's low end, any low end PC person can play this game. Now we'll go and regular download. From here we need to wait for 60 seconds, I guess. Yep, 60 seconds. We need to wait for 60 seconds, and then it will give us a captcha to enter, and then it will give us our download file. So I will tell you guys the things what you need to do after this. So after your game is downloaded, basically guys, required software to play this game must install before launch the game. These three are the software which are must and necessary to play the game. So basically install these three softwares from here. The links are given as well from here, or you guys can just install it from somewhere else. And if it's already installed, then you don't need to do anything, okay. Just then install the game. Now basically it's the same process, just you need to skip ad and stuff like that, like as you guys can see, please wait and stuff. So you guys can do that. I'm not gonna do that, I already have it. Now we will wait for 15 seconds more, and boom, just wait for 50 seconds. And this game does not have a patch as well. It's so small game, it's not even like big game which will take a lot of space as well. It's just so small and simple, no patch, nothing you need to require. Just you guys can play multiplayer and stuff for free. Now basically please wait. Now we will enter a captcha here, give it a second. Yep, point blank download file, it will say. Yep, you will click here and it will start downloading the file, and boom, as you guys can see, it's downloading. After it's gonna be downloaded, it's 51 MB. After it's downloaded, you just need to if you have torrent, it will give you the torrent file. Just download that torrent and you're good to go. Just you need to after that set up the game, and it's so simple. Even if still you guys have some problem, you guys can ask me in the comment section down below anything, and I will surely respond to every single one of you. That's it guys. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and like this video as well, and yeah, I see you all in my next video. Goodbye.